Alright guys, so this video is for those people with thick curly hair that wants to achieve the low slick bun. So I'll start off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and what I'm doing here right now is parting my hair down the middle, making sure at least the front part is as straight as possible. Once I do that, I'm going to do a front and back section. The part does not necessarily have to be like super straight because I'm doing a slick bun, but this would help you when it comes to slicking down your hair in the end, making it as flat as possible. Once I do that, I add my choice of leave-in as well as styling moisturizer. And then I'm going to do that for the other side as well, and pinning up both of the top parts of my hair because I will be doing that part last. So once I add all that moisture to the back sections of my hair, I'm going to comb my hair out, making sure there's no knots, tangles, and things like that. And then I add my Gorilla Glue. I didn't really use much. I really used the Gorilla Glue from my scalp and making sure I slick the part that really needs to be slicked. So basically I didn't use it throughout my head, just that part that I needed. So I'll be showing you guys that in 1 second. So this is how it looks, slick. I just did the back part, and now I'm going to do the front part. So one part at a time. I'm going to comb it out like before. Add that Gorilla Glue close to my scalp, so when I brush it until it is smooth and sleek. So I do that. I got this brush from Target, just one of those not really hard brushes, but good enough. And then once I do that, basically I put it back in a ponytail. And then I do that for both sides. Now that I've finished my second side, you see how sleek it looks. It's flat, you know, my hair is thick and it's kind of hard putting in a sleek bun. I got my donuts from the beauty supply store, probably $1 or something, and I used that just to give it some shape. I mean, you don't have to use it, but I decided to try it out for actually the first time. So basically with a lot of hair, I'm basically tucking it until it is tucked all the way in, all my hair. And then of course, if you need some more security, add bobby pins as well as more headbands just to keep it flat as well. And now to finish it off, I add a little bit more Gorilla Glue to both sides, slick it down with my brush, add some sideburns just for some style. You don't have to do it, but you know, add your flair. Some people do baby hairs, whatever. So basically, this is how I achieve my low sleek bun. If you guys like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if that helped for those thick curly hair girls, okay? I'm done.